while I was thinking up to daring to look up. Suddenly Mr. MML took his name and ordered him. Okay friend, you should read the lesson and I will explain after your reading is going to be finished. And as far as the question of French is there, he don't know how to read, so he was feeling agitation, but he could not refuse, and he started to read the book, but he could not read properly, and he stopped reading. And at that time Mr. M. Hamel did not scold him. He said, no, I am not going to scold you, I am not going to rebuke you, because you already feeling shame, already you are feeling agitation, and this is a shameful thing if we are not able to read our own language. And now Mr. M. Havel is telling who are responsible. He said that not only you, we all people are responsible, because sometimes your parents have not sent you to school because they send you to field to work there to earn some money. Sometimes I was not in the mood of teaching you because I want to go for fishing, or I made the student to water the plants of the school garden, so I did not teach you. And sometimes you means the student were not interested in learning. That's why we all people are responsible. We always neglect or avoid our things. Oh, we have lot of time, we will learn it tomorrow, or we will do it tomorrow. That is why, see where today we are standing. He is saying to the people, villagers as well as to the student, see where we are standing today. Even you people don't know your own mother tongue. So this is a matter of great shame for we people. Now, next paragraph. Then from one thing to another, Mr. MML went to talk, and he gave some work to the student. Okay, this is my last lesson and I am going to teach you. So he explained the lesson in a very good way, very carefully, and French also paid attention. And French is telling us that it surprisingly he learned all the things because he also paid attention, and Mr. M. Hamel also taught in a very wonderful way. And Mr. M. Hamel also told that he glorified the French language. He said that this is the most beautiful language of the world, most logical language of the world, and we have to conserve it. We have to teach this language to our coming generation, so it should go from one generation to another generation, because our whole culture and our whole traditions are in French language. So as French people, we have to love our language, we have to conserve it, and we have to protect it. And he also tell that if one person know the mother tongue, or he has command over his tongue, this is very good for him. He can make progress in his life. No one can make him slave, no one can make the person a servant. In this way, the villagers and French attended the last lesson, and he gave some written work also. All the villagers and students were started to write these words, France, hélas, they, and all they were, when they were busy writing the words, the only scratching sound was coming, means pin drop silence was there inside the class. Suddenly some words, means peasant, came there, and they were cooing, they were just creating their own voice. At that time French was thinking, will they make them sing in German, even the peasants? So you should underline this, because this is important line. Will they means German people, make them means the peasants. So French was thinking, these people can pressurize us to learn German language, but can they pressurize the birds also to learn German language. Just he wants to say that Germans can force the French people to learn the language, but they cannot force them to love the language. In this way, all were writing. When all were writing, Mr. M. Hamel was very sad. He was looking everything very carefully, the things which were there. He was looking every object with lot of love, as he wanted to fix their picture in his mind. He was very sad, but he was having full confidence. And then all the boys and villagers completed their written work,